Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal. Some dogs sleep with one eye open. Parrot can learn to say hundreds of words. The only known poisonous bird in the world is hooded pitoi. Penguins can jump as high as 6 feet in the air. An albatross bird can sleep while it flies. The rarest bird in the world is a duck called Madagascar pochard, and its total population is near a dozen. A woodpecker can peck 20 times in a second. A hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards and sideways. A bird's heart beats 400 times per minute while it resting, and up to 1000 beats per minute while flying.